A jellyfish with the appearance of an alien ship has been spotted by scientists. The amazing creature was noticed at a depth of about 3,500 meters in the Pacific Ocean between the Philippines and South Japan and was captured on video by a robotic camera. The sparrowfish or pinnacle fish is a marine fish of the roundworm family. According to National Geographic, feathery Crinoidea stars, or marine invertebrates, are related to sea stars and sea lilies. The decorator crab decorates itself with algae to camouflage itself with its environment. The common Actinia equina Linne is a member of the Actiniaria class of coral polyps, Anthozoa. Coral polyps form no jellyfish and therefore exist only in a polypoid state.